Deep breath in. Blow it all out. Good. Then, here, 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 drop. Sore, huh? Bend. Here. Okay, do me a favor. Turn over face up. Didn't even need to use this. Normally what I would do is cover your with the towel.
Oh.
Straight up. Strong.
You're doing a lot. Turn your face to this side. And then to this side. Back to the center. Okay. Until you bend your head to this side. Bend your head to the other side. Thank you, Frank. To the center. Right? Okay.